Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hello everyone, Andrews here, and in this quick video I'm gonna show you around the software Hijack N Bank and show you how you can get up and running with it within just a few minutes. So right after you log in, you're gonna see a few tabs right here: niche research, video hunter, bulk optimization generator, and buy generator, and done for you offers. And each tab you click will open here sub tabs. So let's talk about the first one, which is the trending now inside niche research. So basically what we're trying to achieve with Hijack N Bank is finding what's working on one platform and move it to another platform, so we can hijack all of the virality and all of the traffic that the original post got. So we choose a platform right here. So let's talk about YouTube Shorts, and our keyword, let's say gym. Hit search, and as you can see, it found us what's working right now and what's getting a momentum right now on YouTube Shorts related to the our keyword, which is gym. And as you can see, we label some of the videos hot based on how many views, how many likes, and how many traffic they got within a certain time frame. So let's say I want to save this one and this one, this one and this one. We can group them and name them maybe gym videos, gym videos. Hit save. Okay, as you can see, it's already done. We can also click here my saved videos, and as you can see right here, we have this optimization. We can open the collection and see our videos, and right now we can click just one button and download those videos to our device, our laptop, our mobile phone, or whatever it is. So I'm just gonna click this one. As you can see, the download started, and if we got clicked back, okay, to my saved videos, we can also move to the next step, which is generate optimization. And basically what will happen is Hijack N Bank will give us all of the information that we need, okay, to use with TikTok, for example, to make sure our video gain virality and traffic. Okay, so we are hijacking videos, as you can see, from YouTube, and we're moving them to TikTok. So if you click generate optimization right here, it will take just a few seconds, and it will give us all of the information that we need in order to get traffic and so on. Okay, and as you can see right here, it gives us the titles that we need to use for the video, the description, and the hashtag we need to use in order to make sure our video goes viral on TikTok. So that's it. We have the video, we have the title, we have the description, we have the hashtag, we have everything right now. We can save them, as you can see right here. We can change the keyword if you want. but that's basically it. We have the information that is optimized by our artificial intelligence model to make sure we get viral. Okay, there is a few other stuff that you can do with it, so I just showed you the basic mode or the first thing that you can do. So instead of finding the trending now, you can search for the all-time high. So for example, you can find the all-time highest views and highest traffic on YouTube instead of just what's trending right now, if you want to do that. Or you can move to the video hunter right here, okay, and we can find videos within a specific network. So we can do YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. So let's try TikTok and type in gym right here. Hit search, okay, and it will find us all of the hottest videos related to the word gym inside TikTok, as you can see right here. And again, we label the videos that we think will work best with this label right here, hot. And as you can see, all of the videos right here. So let's say I want to label all of them, this and this and this. Okay, I can name them gym TikTok videos. Save, okay, and as you can see, download these videos, gym TikToks right here. I can open the collection and see them, and I can generate the optimization for them by clicking right here. Okay, and as you can see, we have all of the optimization for our videos right here. So we can do this for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and then we can move to this one, bulk optimization generator. So let's say you already have your own videos, you just need the information that will guarantee you go viral on your platform. You can just go to generate for YouTube Shorts, you generate for TikTok or Instagram Reels, enter your keyword, and it will give you all of the optimization you need. You can save them for later, and you will see them inside the my saved optimization right here. And one last thing you can do, actually two last things you can do with Hijack N Bank is the bio generator. Okay, and the bio generator is a very powerful tool which will give you a high converting, okay, bios that you can use inside your account. So basically, when you are creating your Instagram account, your TikTok account, or something like that, it allows you to add a bio. Okay, so all of the follower, all of the user will see it, and it will be like a self-promotion for your account and your niche. So you can enter your keyword here. So let me try. Okay, so I enter the gym, hit search, and within a few seconds it will give you exactly what you need to add to your bio. So as you can see, it gives you a few options right here. You can just hit copy, and that's it, paste it inside your profile, and you are good to go. Next, we have the done for you offers. So if you don't have something specific that you need to, or you can promote, you can go to the done for you offers, and it will give you a list of offers that we know are converting right now good with this type of traffic. Okay, so basically that's just a quick tour around the software. There is so much more you can do. I would suggest going to the training tab and watching the advanced training. And if you have any question, just reach out to me by clicking on the support tab right here. And yeah, I'll be more than happy to help you out.